Welcome. If you're looking to enable request messages from friends on Pinterest using your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process so you can start receiving message requests from your friends with ease. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a list of options. Scroll down and click on Settings. This will open up your account settings page. Now, inside the Settings menu, you'll see several categories. What you need to do next is find and click on Social Permissions. This section controls who can interact with you and how they can contact you on Pinterest. Once you're in the Social Permissions area, look for the Messages section. Here, you'll see different options related to messaging. Find the option labeled Friends, and right next to it, you'll notice an Edit button. Go ahead and click on Edit. A new set of options will appear. Select the option called Requests. This setting allows your friends to send you message requests instead of direct messages, giving you more control over who can contact you. After you've chosen Requests, don't forget to click on Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled request messages from friends on Pinterest using your PC. Now, when your friends try to message you, their messages will appear as requests, and you'll have the choice to accept or ignore them. This new update makes it even easier to manage your messages and keep your Pinterest experience enjoyable and secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.